Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Doty here. Your website, it's probably hemorrhaging money right now. You think you're doing SEO right, throwing keywords around like confetti? Wrong. That's old school, grandpa SEO, and it's killing your website. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty, the stuff no one wants to tell you because they're too busy trying to sell you their magic SEO course. We're about to expose the biggest SEO lies you've been fed and give you the real deal, the no BS tactics to skyrocket your website to the top. You down with that? Let's go. Alright, let's talk keywords. You've heard it a million times, stuff your content with keywords. But guess what? That's so 2010. Google's smarter than that now. It's not about how many times you can cram best dog food into your article. It's about intent. What does your audience really want to know? What problem are they trying to solve? Give them that, and Google will reward you. Think of it like this. Keywords are like the address, but intent is the actual house. Focus on building the best darn house content on the block, search results, and the people traffic will come. So, you're swimming in traffic, congrats. But hold on, before you pop the champagne, let me ask you this. Is that traffic actually buying anything? Vanity metrics, like page views, are meaningless if they don't translate into conversions. We want quality traffic, people who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Target the right audience with the right message, and watch your conversions soar. Remember, it's not about attracting everyone. It's about attracting the right people. Be picky, be specific, and attract the audience that will actually convert into loyal customers. Technical SEO nightmare. The stuff under the hood matters. Alright, buckle up, because we're about to get technical. That website you spent hours designing? It might look pretty on the outside, but if the back end is a mess, Google's gonna bounce faster than you can say algorithm update. We're talking site speed, mobile responsiveness, broken links, the whole shebang. These things might seem small, but they can tank your rankings. Get your hands dirty. Optimize your website's performance, and watch Google fall in love with you all over again. Content, quality, catastrophe. Stop churning out garbage. Let's be real. Nobody wants to wade through a wall of text, longer than a Tolstoy novel. Google knows this, and guess what? They're judging your content hard. Forget everything you thought you knew about keyword density and word count. They want depth, they want value, they want content that makes people go, whoa, that's actually helpful. Focus on creating in-depth, engaging content that solves problems. Answer your audience's questions, provide unique insights, and keep them coming back for more. Quality over quantity always wins. Engagement destruction. Keep them hooked. Here's a secret. Google's watching your users like a hawk. They see how long people stay on your page, if they're clicking your links, if they're sharing your content. Engagement is the name of the game, folks. And if your content's boring, people to tears, you're in trouble. Think of your website like a party. You want people to show up, stay a while, have some fun, and tell all their friends about it, right? Create content that sparks conversation, encourages interaction, and keeps people coming back for more. The more engaged your audience, the higher Google will rank you. Don't get left behind. So there you have it, the cold hard truth about SEO. Your old tactics are dead in the water, and if you don't adapt, your website's going down with them. But don't worry, I've given you the weapons you need to survive. Implement these changes now, and watch your website rise from the ashes like a phoenix. Your competition is already on their A game, so you gotta be faster, smarter, and more relentless. Subscribe to my channel for more SEO truth bombs, and let's dominate the digital world together.